right at you with burnout after burnout. This episode of Doc's Boost is all about burnouts, pure and simple. I brought all of the 2021 and 2022 burnouts right here in one place so you don't have to worry about missing out on any of it. Hi, I'm Doc, and you're watching Doc's Boost because you know I'm going to give you the truth about high-performance maintenance, high-performance upgrades, and getting out there and having some high-performance fun with your ride. Dream it, build it, and drive it like you stole it. So turn up your speakers and let's rock this place. The first thing I gotta do is make sure that I turn off my traction control. Ah, crap! And we are set to go. Where do I hold on? You can't. There's not even a handle up here. We're just about all set up here to do the burnout. We got to make sure that we turn traction control off. Okay, traction control is now off. We are setting the line lock. And now we're going to be ready to go. Was that okay?
The moon. Hey,
Damn,
Doc.
sorry, bro.
That was freaking awesome.
Damn, Doc. Damn. Damn. Look at Doc. Look at this legend. The legend.
Woo! Man, it's smoky! That was great! So now we don't have any doubt about how big my tire budget is per year, right? That was a great collection, if I gotta say so myself. So let's keep the excitement going and watch that next video I got selected for you right down there. It's some track action, and I'll see you there in a moment, and thanks for watching.